This has honey, wow, I blinked really fast. Honey, vanilla, cinnamon, and then espresso, and almond milk. And I forgot to film because I was really hungry, but I made pancakes, and those were super yummy. Now I fear my parents are coming today. I fear I need to clean. This should obviously be our first thing that we tackle, because the bed is such a central part of the room that, you know, you gotta tackle it. And then it'll be like you're halfway done. And I did bleed on my sheets last night, so we just gotta wash the sheets, put on new ones. I do have new ones up there, so I low-key don't have to do my laundry, but it's if I want to. Ah, so much better, but not for makeup. BB cream. Look at how dark this is. They say this is the lightest shade. Bullshit. Y'all can make a lighter shade than that. And I know I'm not the lightest person out there. I'm just one of them. My sister's the lightest person out there. Also, what is it about me that gives off lesbian vibes? Or bisexual vibes? Because why does everybody meet me and think that I like women? I might like men and women, but they always think I like women. I don't. I like them as people. I think they're better friends than men. I don't like them sexually or romantically. So what is it about me? Is it Sheldon? Is Sheldon giving off bisexual vibes? Does wearing this shirt make me look like a lesbian? I don't know. I don't know. I want to be a blush girly, but I fear that might be what's making me break out right here. Or maybe I guess that's where I put bronzer or contour. So maybe I just have to be a solely blush girl. What is it about me that makes me look like a lesbian? I actually can't find my lipstick. Oh, okay, it's right there. I actually hate the way that this smells. It smells disgusting. It smells like that one friend you had in elementary school who like their parents did not buy them fresh food, and you low-key went over to their house and you were like, hey, like this is cool and all, but like why am I low-key craving a vegetable, and why do you not know what that is? Like, does this count as child neglect, lack of nutrition? Don't know. Oh, what is it about me that makes you question your life and lets you make me question mine? I'm listening to that as soon as I ditch y'all. It lets you make me question mine. I got demons in my head. I got demons in my head. How to love, how to love, how to love. Now we are bonita. Now we can continue on with our day. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna try to turn that off. Let's get dressed. I'm not just gonna wear this because that's weird to wear this to classes. Perfect. Wow. We low-key gonna utilize this chair to put blankets on. Oh, I was gonna put socks on so I don't see my toes. Part of me wants to like throw away all my socks and just buy one brand, like 30 pairs of one brand, so that way I don't have to worry about it, because I hate not having matching socks. I don't like when they feel different. I want them to feel the same. Is that too much to ask for? I'm just now remembering that I low-key needed that chair to go get to my sheet, but I think I can climb on here. Just need to clear some space. Trash. I need to take out the trash. I feel like I should make like a little to-do list. Let me up. Let me up. And then somehow, I get down. Takes the corner. Okay, and then into this corner. I feel like there's an easier way to do this. I have not discovered that way yet. Scooch that. Last corner. Sheet is on. Below. This side goes at the front. Lets you make me question mine. And then blanket. Probably should have put our dirty door on before. I can't take my meds. In case you couldn't tell what that was, I probably should have put deodorant on before. Honestly, surprised you didn't get that, considering how clear I spoke. Perfect. Now we're like halfway done with cleaning. I gotta do my meds. I want to grab 24. I was close. Yeah, so I have about 1,000,000 5-milligram boost bars because I take 15 milligrams in the morning and then 10 milligrams at night. So that was just the easiest way to prescribe it. Morning meds done. I guess I should fill up my night meds. These are so much easier to open because they're for like arthritic people. I'm not diagnosed with anything. I was diagnosed with chronic rheumatoid osteomyelitis, and then I said, no, I don't think you have that anymore. And I said, but I still hurt. And they said, no. But dropped another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I missed 2 nights of that, so I only had to fill up 5 days. And then I'm low-key gonna take all of my stuff from Goodwill and just chuck that in the dirty clothes bin. So that way I don't have to worry about it. Because they're from Goodwill. Of course they're dirty. Perfect. Bathroom trash time. I'm not gonna show all this because this is really gross. It's out of love. Ooh, gotta retie that. Okay, now let's tackle this desk. I say we do the drinks first because that seems to be a majority. This is going in my bag for today. This also needs to go in the sink. I'm gonna pack my work bag because a lot of the stuff on my desk is going in there, including the knee braces I just put on. Hip support band, knee braces, Advil. If you can't tell, I have some joint issues. Forgot to take my multivitamins, and then I'm also gonna take a vitamin D. And then my deodorant. Just starting to think this wall is angled. So I just finished one of my assignments that was due. She put the wrong due date for it, so I hope that like she fixes that and it doesn't fuck up my grade even more because I'm low-key not doing fire in that class. Anyway, now that I finished that, I think I'm gonna get back to cleaning. Maybe eat a snack or leave early enough so that way I can go get food. I don't know. Let's change for the 1,000,000th time, and this time into clothes that I can wear to work and class. So maybe jorts. Okay, so I have arrived at my place of work. Just kidding. I love my place of work. It's really nice and chill and sweet and awesome and amazing and pays really well. My anxiety is just really high today, so I don't want to go, but I have to go because you can only call out so many times without like getting a warning or something, and I get sick a lot, so I'm trying to save that for when I'm actually sick. But I will, in about 5 hours, I'm gonna leave work, and then I'm gonna go meet my parents for dinner because it's Aggie Parents Weekend this weekend. So they're coming up, or coming over, I guess I'm not up. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess I have to look at the events and stuff and, you know, yada yada. Back from work and back from dinner. Time to get ready for bed.